How to activate Vodafone eSIM or SIM card. The very first thing that you need to do is you have to check if your device is compatible with eSIM. And once it is compatible with eSIM, you have to install it as soon as possible. All you just need is a stable internet connection, and you can use another device to scan your QR code or install your eSIM manually. Now, next thing you do is to choose on a specific plan that you would like. Just visit the Vodafone.com's official website and you will be getting these features that you can choose. Now, your last thing is going to be activating it. Activating it is just by simply access the specific email that was sent to you from Vodafone if the payment was successful purchasing one of these plans that you choose, and it will automatically be activated. That's easily how you activate a Vodafone eSIM SIM card.